What are you trying to do?
Nothing. No, I don't have anything.
Alright, then, man. Keep your hands where I can see them. Stop right there. Hey. Stop right there, I'm gonna tase you. Stop right there. Coming down right.
Okay.
Do not move.
What this officer doesn't know is that there's another male suspect involved, still roaming the store.
Well,
I know exactly who
No, well, I didn't take anything.
You got him?
I got him.
Yeah, 10-4 got one. Attempted shoplifting, also possibly have another. Hey man, stop right there. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Stop right there. Stop right there. Hey. Stop right there. Turn around. Turn around. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
What are you shooting me?
Get on your stomach.
Tell me.
Get on your stomach.
Okay.
Stop resisting.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get your.
Hey, man.
Stay right there, man.
Hey, man.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Put your hand.
What's going on?
Put your hand on your back.
Don't fucking do that.
Well, get your hand.
Don't
Put your hands on your back.
something. Man.
Put your hands on your back.
Complicating matters even more, the first suspect is able to get away from security and flees the scene, while the officer wrestles with this second suspect.
Tell me what's going on.
Turn around. I told you. They pointed you out for possible shoplifting. When I came to talk to you, you resisted. You took off right away.
I saw someone running?
Handcuffs.
Yeah, well, there's two in the store he's fighting with.
Oh, but they had handcuffs on one of them.
All right.
I don't have nothing, brother.
When I tell you to stop, stop. Yeah, 10-4, that male's gonna be wearing a blue jacket, possibly blue jeans.
Do you know which way he is?
He went that way in front door. That's all.
Oh, okay.
So security had the other guy, I don't know if he fell off, let go, but we had him in handcuffs.
I think one of them may have been on that bike. That's why the bikes are in there.
Let's go.
When guys walking said one of them ditched the bike and took off.
So one, we caught him because he ran. Then they pointed out this one because he started coming to the back. Dumped whatever.
But no one got away with your handcuffs, huh?
One did, yeah.
Oh, he's still cuffed?
Yeah.
On the back?
Yeah. Where's the other one at?
He went down, the other way, they went down Zeferano.
Alright. Let the other units know, male. Still in handcuffs, flayed. Zeferano. Towards Rafina. Here's the bag that was his. I don't know if you don't get a cent.
A bunch of customers said that he went down Zeferano running. Okay. And he's cuffed, dude.
Okay, we'll get it. We'll get it. Let's go. Stop resisting. Stop. Come on, dude. Relax. So have a seat. Stop resisting. Simple as that. You just keep fighting. Give us a break. We'll get those fixed. But get in for now.
Let me grab a longer leash.
Yeah, let's check near Rafina. They said he went down Zeferano to Rafina.
His line is around the corner.
Yep. Did you see a guy dump it?
I did not, but I was just clocking out when everything happened.
There's one cop trying to fight two guys. They don't care if the police are here, they still steal. Crazy.
Officers begin searching for the suspect with the help of a K-9 unit.
304-277, just double checking any bike involved that we know of or negative. So, sounds like he went this way, huh? Seems like he's tracking fairly well.
Excuse me. Did I see a guy running in handcuffs over here? Oh, we've been looking. We haven't seen one at all.
Okay, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm sure he's gone by now. Yeah, dude. I mean, I think we locked it down okay, but it sounds like this all unfolded pretty fast.
Just an hour later, reports came in of a man in handcuffs in a trailer park.
Did he leave stuff behind?
No, he said that he had bolt cutters in his hand. Or like wire cutters, and he was trying to cut them off.
Oh, okay.
But he said he just left. He's got to be right here somewhere.
Okay. Homeowner saying he, within seconds from us arriving, that he left. What was he wearing?
He just had a jacket and he's handcuffed, but he had like cutters.
The handcuffs are still on his back? Okay. Okay.
He can't cut him.
No. He's saying the handcuffs were still to the rear.
Gotta pay police department the canine. You're in there, make stuff known. You're not to my dog, you get bit. Gotta pay police department the canine. Stuff known. It's in the area.
I'm gonna stay back here.
After hours of searching for the suspect, police were unable to locate him. However, on August 21st, 2023, 6 months after the initial incident, the suspect named Marvin, along with another female, were spotted in the area. Due to Marvin being possibly armed and dangerous, the Santa Fe Police Department SWAT team, along with detectives, were tasked with locating Marvin. At 4:01 in the evening, SWAT operators located Marvin and the female next to a food truck. We've obtained the body cam footage from the SWAT team from this incident.
Oh, he's running.
Where is he?
He's right there.
Go get him, Sarge. Go get him.
Watch his hands. Let me see your hands! Here you go! Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Give me your hand! Give us your hand! You do it! Good job, bro. Get his leg. Get his leg. Good. That's good. Go. Cuffs. I'm gonna get cuffs. I got cuffs. Move. We got his ass. Pat him right away. Go on your back.
Marvin had 4 active warrants at the time of his arrest for possession of controlled substance, resisting unlawful taking of a motor vehicle, and aggravated assault on a peace officer. He was given an additional resisting, obstructing charge for fleeing from the SWAT team, along with a shoplifting and another resisting charge for the incident that occurred at Lowe's. The other suspect had 2 warrants for failure to appear to court, stemming from previous possession of controlled substance charges. The writhers are Dirkter and the person who for this incident. He was additionally charged with shoplifting, resisting, and another possession of controlled substance charge due to officers finding fentanyl pills, meth, and heroin on his person. While they're both innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law, this next suspect was seen stealing a camouflage jacket from Walmart and got away. However, things take a turn when officers are called to a Speedway gas station later that evening for the same suspect.
This guy that came in, he is trespassing the store and he just shoplifted, okay? This is his name.
This one?
He went towards this way and he's wearing like a heavy-duty camouflage jacket. He's got tattoos right here.
Do you want to pursue charges?
Yes.
What did he take?
He took coffee and he was over here where the pastries and where the sandwiches are. I was watching.
For sure he took coffee. You're not sure if he took pastries or...
And he took off.
After searching the area, the officer finds the suspect.
Can we talk to you real quick? So, the reason I'm stopping out with you is because they called from the Speedway gas station, said you took some merchandise. That's the reason.
I didn't take nothing, bro. All I did was heat up my food.
That's just...
This from Sprouts.
That's the reason for the stop.
Yeah.
Okay?
Alright.
So, I'm just letting you know why I'm checking out with you, okay?
Alright.
So, I want to talk to you about that, but I'm going to read you your rights real quick, alright?
Why? I'm under arrest?
No. As of right now, I'm going to read you your rights just because I'm questioning you about what they said happened, okay?
Alright.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights?
Alright.
Okay, with your rights in mind, you want to talk to me? Okay. So, they said you took coffee and some pastries.
No, my coffee's mine. All this stuff is mine. I have it in my bag.
Okay.
Everything. I have a jar of coffee. I have a thing of Folgers. All I went and did is got hot water and used the microwave.
Hot water from the next to the
from
coffee station.
Yeah, that's the one.
They might have thought you took the coffee.
Yeah, I
Is
didn't
that
steal
what
the
you're
coffee, bro. I can show you my stuff. It's my stuff.
Would you mind showing me what's in your backpack?
Yep. Mine. All my hygiene.
Okay. And what about what are those cupcakes?
Yeah. What about them?
Where are those from?
No, those are mine. I've had everything I have in my bag is mine.
Okay.
I go in there all the time and use the microwave and drink coffee.
Let me just get your information real quick.
All this stuff is my stuff. As a matter of fact, I'd rather go to jail.
What's your date?
It's cold out here. Big cops, you serious?
Hey, bro. Do me a favor, take out your backpack and take out that jacket.
No, I'm not gonna take off my. He just searched me, bro.
Huh?
I'm not taking shit if I'm
Hold on,
doing it, bro.
hey.
Don't be dumb.
What do you mean don't be dumb? This is my jacket.
Stop. No, it's not.
Yes, they're
Charlotte, they're Walmart.
Watch out to give me my jacket.
You're gonna get tased.
Bring my mother
fucking jacket then.
All right?
I don't give a f, bro. Give me my fucking jacket then.
This is the last time I'm gonna tell you. Relax. Relax.
Give me my fucking jacket, my food. I'm fucking hungry, motherfucker.
Take it off.
Bring me my fucking jacket. Fucking hands off me, bro. All right, there. Back there. Oh, stand that right there.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
And I said, scissor deployed. You okay, dude?
Yeah, you got me.
He clocked you?
You got me.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Did I get you with the front or?
No, the wire.
Did I get you too?
Yeah, my right hand.
All right, we're gonna roll you over and sit you up, right, man?
Man, I needed that, bro.
Are you good?
How did you guys know I need that?
Are you good?
Yeah.
You need medical attention?
No.
All right, we're gonna get you some, just check you out in case, all right?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I needed. Sit up real quick. That was sick, yeah. All right. Sorry about that.
All that for a jacket, dude? Really?
No, it's not for the jacket.
No, it was for the jacket. That's what it was. So now you're getting arrested.
Okay. That's fine. I would rather be arrested, man. It's too fucking cold out here.
933, is that you? You good?
Yeah, we just got covered in
Coming down right here.
Chipotle?
I already know what it is.
Did you cut my backpack, bro?
Yeah.
Sir, I don't see where it hit you specifically. Where do you think it hit you?
It takes me right in the ass, right in the fucking asshole.
Can you ring this up and give me a receipt for it, please? Is he always this violent?
Yeah, very. Was he wrestling with you guys and stuff?
Yeah. We got ravioli all over us. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
This suspect was charged with shoplifting, resisting, obstructing, and criminal trespass. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. What would you say if I told you that in America, 98 out of every 100 shoplifters never get arrested? That's not a loophole, it's a culture. And when you start normalizing theft at that scale, it doesn't just stay inside the walls of the store. It comes into the streets, at the gas stations, and the very corners where officers are forced to deal with it. The real danger isn't the theft itself, it's the attitude behind it. Because when these suspects refuse to let go of stolen property, that's a direct challenge to authority. Let me tell you, these shoplifting calls can flip on a dime, and the part most people miss is these small dollar thefts are often just practice runs. Criminals push boundaries with low-value items, testing how far they can go, how quickly cops react, and what the consequences are. When they get away with it, or even when they resist and make it messy, like the idiots in these videos, use their confidence to go harder next time, because petty theft today is often organized retail crime tomorrow. And remember, when cops stop a shoplifter, they're not just dealing with a missing jacket or a stolen coffee. They might be standing in front of a killer who knows they want it. When an officer is forced to step in, it's not about merchandise. It's about drawing a line in a world where that line is fading really fast. And ignore it long enough, and the cost won't be just jackets or coffee. It'll be trust in the very idea of law itself. Think about it. If theft becomes normal, then law becomes optional, and that's a price that no community wants to